Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I will present a step-by-step explanation of how to create a simple database and tables in MariaDB, including the structure and relationships between them. This database is designed to manage information related to room, guests, and reservation in a room booking system. First, I created the database using the following command, that is create database laporan 1 underscore 2021 31 104. Then I selected this database with the command use laporan 1 underscore 2021 31 104. And then I created 4 main tables in this database. First one is room, to store room information, guest, to store guest information, reservation to store room booking details, and facility room to store room facility details. And then the explanation of room table is room underscore ID is the primary key, defined as an integer with auto increment to assign a unique ID to each room. Room underscore type is an enum data type allowing only 3 values, that is standard, suite, and deluxe, to categorize room types. Price field is stored as an integer as it represents the room price in whole numbers. Then the explanation of guest table is guest underscore ID is a varchar 5 values primary key ensuring unique identification. Name field is stored as varchar 100 values to accommodate long names. Phone is stored as varchar 15 values to handle different phone number formats. Email is stored as varchar 30 values and it is optional. Address is stored as text for longer address entries. Then the explanation of reservation table is reservation underscore ID is a varchar 10 values primary key ensuring uniqueness. Guest underscore ID is a foreign key linking to the guest table. Room underscore ID is a foreign key linking to the room table. Check-in and check-out are date fields to store reservation dates. Then the explanation of facility underscore room table is facility underscore ID is a varchar 5 values primary key ensuring a unique identifier. Facility underscore name is stored as varchar 50 values to store the facility's name. And then description is stored as text to provide additional details about the facility. Then adding foreign key constraints to ensure referential integrity. I add foreign key constraints to the reservation table. These constraints ensure that a reservation can only be made for an existing guest and an available room. To answer question number 3, I added a notes column to the reservation table. After that, I used desk reservation to see the contents of the table. To answer question number 4, I deleted the facility underscore room table. I dropped the facility underscore table because it was no longer necessary for the database structure. Initially, it was meant to store information about room facilities, but later I realized that facility details could be included in the room table or managed in a separate system. Keeping the table would introduce redundancy and unnecessary complexity. In this session, we successfully designed and implemented the laporan 1 underscore 2021 31 104 database. The tables are structured efficiently using appropriate data types and constraints to maintain data integrity. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.